Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the BMW X3 we've currently got for sale, featuring the 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 189 PS. We've also got the M Sport specification with the M Sport Plus package optionally fitted and that xDrive 4-wheel drive as well. You'll have peace of mind motoring of this vehicle with a minimum of 12 months warranty from themselves. As you can see, this vehicle has been fitted with a tow bar as well. At the front of the vehicle, you've got this black kidney grills alongside the full LED headlights, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You've also got these lovely 20-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly with your blue M Sport brake calipers. You've also got power folding and heated wing mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. The huge amount of boot space available as well, with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. You'll have ease of access to the boot space as well with the electric tailgate, which you can also open with the key fob. Moving inside, you get this lovely full leather upholstery, giving a nice luxurious feel with the contrasting white stitching. There's also a centre armrest and a couple of cup holders in the back to keep your rear passengers happy. At the front of the vehicle, you got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and a centre armrest which is adjustable to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheel, you got a full digital display there with a heated steering wheel optionally fitted. It's perfect for those cold winter mornings. And alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from static navigation system with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. And to help with parking as well as front and rear parking sensors, you'll also benefit from a rear view camera. There's also multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive, and your Eco Pro setting as well to help save some fuel. Also got the ambient lighting pack available, so loads of different colours to choose from that helps brighten up the interior while driving at night. And moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control as well as heated front seats, so getting perfect for those cold winter mornings, with a little bit of storage just below, and USB ports you can charge your device while on the move.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.